So, what do you do to get a lot of likes on Instagram? Maybe you make sure to take plenty of photos with you and your boo everywhere you go so that people think you have an idyllic life. Perhaps you take pictures of every meal you have so people think you're cultured. Well, if you're Instagram user Mustang Wanted, then you climb on and hang off of tall buildings all over the world without any safety equipment. You've probably seen some of his clips before, and it's honestly a miracle he's still alive. He can frequently be seen walking along beams and hanging from rafters. You'll notice he never wears any wires, and that's part of what makes his whole gimmick insane. In some videos, he'll even let one hand go while he takes out his phone to text really quick. He seems to be in good shape, but hopefully he knows what he's doing, or else his Instagram page and his life will meet an untimely demise. So as we all know, airplanes rely on their landing gear to make a safe return to Earth. Numerous times throughout history, that gear has gotten stuck or failed altogether, resulting in catastrophic disasters. Fortunately, one pilot was able to avoid this by having another man drive his car underneath the plane and manually open up the landing gear. Yep, you heard that right. As you can see, the man, whose name is Joe Lippo, pops up from the car's sunroof and reaches into the machinery of the plane while both vehicles travel at an insane speed. He manages to get the gear unstuck and into the proper position so that the plane can land safely. Getting that close to a plane is scary enough, but just imagine having to put your hand into delicate machinery. Aside from potentially getting your finger caught, one wrong move from either the airplane or the car could have resulted in disaster. Hopefully, the pilot bought Joe Lippo a beer or two afterward. On August 15, 2015, a series of explosions rocked the port of Tianjin in China. Multiple different camera angles caught the disaster as it unfolded. The first two explosions occurred within 30 seconds of each other, growing in size and power each time. In fact, the second explosion registered as a 2.9 magnitude earthquake. The official cause of the disaster was deemed to be an overheated container of dry nitrocellulose, which set off a chain reaction with chemicals in nearby shipping containers. This is truly an unbelievable and devastating moment in time. Just look at the size of the explosion compared to the nearby skyscrapers. Chinese officials claim the official death toll to be 173, but skeptics say it is much higher.
我操！哎呦，这死狗人！我操！哎呦！我操！他妈大了水槽子！哎呦！我操！哎呦！我日他妈！哎呦！快跑！快跑！
Yeah, we're dangerous. Oh my God! Oh dear!
Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming.
Wow! Wow! I think we are dead.
末日楼都在晃，巨球啊！我靠，原子弹吗？这是。我操！楼上玻璃碎了，我操！
So, while searching for the craziest moments, it can be hard to decide what is worthy for this video and what is not. Well, I think it goes without saying that this next clip definitely made the cut. As I'm sure most of you are aware, the 2011 Japanese tsunami was one of the most devastating in recorded history. Thousands lost their lives, and entire cities were destroyed in a matter of seconds. Before the tsunami hits, you can hear the ominous sound of sirens in the background as spectators watch the Okawa River drain before their very eyes. Not long after, you can see the first glimpse of the floodwaters begin to rush down the river. It's around this time that the people filming make it to higher ground and capture the disaster unfold from the top of a small building. Notice how quickly the water rushes past the barrier and floods the surrounding town. Truly terrifying stuff. We'll play a short clip for you all and leave the full video in the description box below. As day turns to night, the tsunami finally comes to a stop. Now all that's left is a flooded and devastated city with fires burning everywhere in the background. Proper maintenance of your car is essential, both for you so that you don't blow your engine, and also for others so that your damn tire doesn't fall off and strike a man in the face. One day in Turkey, that is precisely what happened. In the first part of the footage, you can see the tire making its way to a pharmacy. Video cameras from outside the store capture everything. At first, it seems like something out of a cartoon bouncing down the road straight for the pharmacy. But things quickly take a dangerous turn. The tire flies into the pharmacy, hitting a customer in the head. I know, it seems like a funny situation, but this easily could have turned deadly. The man seemed to be in good shape, if not a little taken off guard. It looks like he saw the tire coming well before it hit the desk, so he was able to put his hands out to block the impact. Hopefully, the pharmacy gave him some free Tylenol for his trouble. These were just